In this exercise, let us use the logical function OR. Logical function OR is used to check if any of the conditions are met. When you use the OR function, if any of the condition is met with the input value which you are using to check, it will output the result as true, else it will output the result as false. So let us use the formula to check if the condition will be true or false. Equals OR, open the bracket, and select the cell on which I wanted to apply this formula, C29. I have to check if it is greater than or equal to 4. Also, I am selecting another condition, which is cell number D29. If greater than 100. So I am selecting two cells, one to check if the value is greater than 4 or not, and the another cell D29 if the value is greater than 100 or not. The difference between AND logical function and OR logical function is, in AND, both the condition has to be met to get the result of true. In OR, either any one of the condition has to be met to get the result of true. So let me enter. It is saying true because one of the condition has met. C29 is not greater than or equal to 4. In C29 you have the value of 2, but my condition was to get either greater than or equal to 4, which is not meeting. But in D29, the value of D29 is 300. For D29, I am asking if the D29 is greater than 100 or not. Since D29 value is greater than 100, the condition is met. Hence, it is giving the result as true. Let me copy the formula across all the cells and find out the result for the remaining values. Because this condition is met in C30, it is true. If I say C29 or equal to 100 and D29 is greater than 100, let me check what will be the result. Let me check what will be the result. It says true. Let me copy the formula for the remaining cells. Now, if you see, for row number 31, here both the conditions are not met. In row number 31, C31 is not greater than or equal to 100, but D31 is not greater than 100. So both the conditions are not met since it is false. Whereas in row number 38, in C38, it is not meeting the criteria of greater than or equal to 100. But D38 is meeting the criteria of greater than 100. So that is why it is true.